Indirect bonding in lingual orthodontics allows the brackets to be transferred to the patient's mouth using a bonding tray that holds them in their ideal position. Different types of trays are available, selected according to the material used. The transparent silicone tray consists of a soft inner part that holds the brackets and a rigid outer part that provides stability. Reliax Unisem 2. Automix, a light-cured cement, is used for bonding. Beforehand, the tray's fit to the arch is checked, and the bracket bases are cleaned with acetone. The lingual surfaces of the teeth are sandblasted with aluminum oxide, and the field is isolated using dry tips and a NOLA retractor. On enamel, etching is performed with 37% phosphoric acid. On restored surfaces, 37% phosphoric acid. The conditioning varies depending on the material. Primer for metal, plastic conditioner for composite, and for ceramic or porcelain, hydrofluoric acid followed by silane. Once the surfaces are prepared, a thin layer of cement is applied to each bracket and the tray is positioned on the arch, remaining in place during polymerization. Finally, the outer tray is removed first, followed by the inner tray, using a rotating motion to ensure proper adhesion of the brackets.